Hello everyone, this video is a quick demo on how we can do breakdown feeding in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here, which is login.iq-metallika. You can see here login.iq-metallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika have his or own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to you. So you need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just keep on pressing enter button to select the company, the site and the year. Now we'll select rolling from the site, year, and then the module in which you want to enter. So breakdown, which comes under production, so we'll select production here and press enter. Now this is the home page for the production module. When we'll move to the upper side, we can see transactions over here, which is just next to the masters. So when I click the transaction, we can see three different type of transaction here: breakdown feeding, daily production, power execution. So we'll select breakdown feeding here. Now this is the form for the breakdown feeding. Now every time we're gonna make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, we need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing this button we're not able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the left hand side, upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. This is insertion mode button. Now when I select this button, my form is highlighted now. So the breakdown code is something which is generated by the system automatically. Now we should understand what is breakdown. Breakdown is something in which our production stops. When our production breakdowns, it could be any reason. Whenever there is an electricity cut in our mills, then there is a breakdown because our production stops. Whenever there is a machinery issue, conveyor belt broke down, dislocation of any part of the machinery, all these reasons leads to breakdown feeding. So in breakdown feeding, we mention the breakdown time period, that for this much time our mill doesn't work, or for this much time our production stops, and the description with the reason. Alright, so we'll select the breakdown date. So let's say the date is 13th of October. Okay, now from time, so the pattern would be, I'll copy the date first and then I'll paste it here, and let's say the time is 18:20. Now I'll again paste the date and the timing would be this. Alright, so this is the pattern for the time. So here from to date is the same, so it comes automatically. Now I need to mention the time here. So let's say the time is 18:25. When I'll press enter, it takes me to the another time, which is 2 time. Alright, so let's say from 18:25 to 19:25 my rolling mill doesn't work, it stops. Here in the description you can write down all the details, like say it's due to overload. Alright, it's due to overload. You can skip the solution part and the breakdown reason. You should select the appropriate breakdown reason. So here you can mention slow processing. Right, now the breakdown is for 60 minutes. You can see here, right? So now just press enter button and system would ask, do you want to add more records, and I'll say yes. Now we need to mention another timing of the breakdown. So let's say it's 1930 to 1935. Right, now you can add description over here. So let's say conveyor dislocate. Alright, now again you need to select the reason. So let's say power cut. Right, I'm taking power cut, but you should mention the appropriate reason, and will again mention another reason. Let's say it's 1940 to 20. Alright, now you can add another description. So let's say SS wrong operation. Right, now press enter and select the appropriate reason. So let's say gas plant pipeline problem. Right, now no, we don't want to save. Now again press enter and system would ask, do you want to save record, and we'll say yes. Now it says your record is saved. So this is how you can do breakdown feeding in iQ-Metallika ERP system, in which you can mention the timings of breakdown with the reason and a description. Right, so that we can help during its analysis that what action should be taken to avoid breakdown. Alright, so this is how you can do it, and hope this video would help you.